In this video, you're going to learn how to control your tags on TikTok. So open up TikTok, make sure you're logged in, go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click on your profile icon. That's going to open up your profile page, where from this page, you're going to want to go to the top right-hand corner and click on that 3-line menu. And that's going to open up your settings and privacy page. From this page, go to the second selection labeled privacy and click on privacy. Scroll down a third of the way to where you see mentions and tags. Underneath the safety heading, click on mentions and tags. And here you can decide who can tag you. You can choose everyone, you can choose people you follow, you can choose friends or no one. You can also adjust who can mention you with the same choices: everyone, people you follow, friends, and no one. And you can also choose your inbox message preferences when you've been mentioned, on or off. I'm just going to go ahead and click no one. And I'm going to click no one for mentions. And that's all there is on how to control your tags on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here.